Looking to promote your digital products on Instagram? In this video, I am going to show you how to create an eye-catching Instagram reel cover which will grab your audience's attention and showcase what you have to offer. First, we will have to create an Instagram reel, right? And then we will create a reel cover, and lastly, I will show you how to post the reel with the reel cover, okay? I am excited for this tutorial, guys, and I hope you are too. Are you ready? So guys, please don't forget, subscribe to this video, okay? If this is what you're looking for, I'm just asking for a subscribe, okay? I'm new and I'm willing to grow. What I will do is look for something that I already created. So I have all these cards here, right? So these are already created. So first I will create a reel and then I will create a cover. All right, so what I will do is I will animate these, of course, right? So this is animated. We have this also, just animated, nothing too fancy. Okay, so these are already animated. So what I will do is download this now as an MP4 file. So while this is downloading, I will go to Instagram Reel and let us use something, a template that is already created. So this seems to be a bit... Okay, so we will use this design and we'll customize the template, right? So now the video that we've just downloaded, we will upload the file. And we'll click on this video and delete the video. Of course, we want to delete everything here as well. It's easier to just close this down and delete the pages beneath it. Pages. You know, let's keep 1 or 2 pages. We may need that. All right. So we have our file here. Before we bring it over, let's ensure that we're on the first page. And this is our file. Okay, so we will expand this, and of course you expand this, right, to fit in here, so persons will actually have an idea of what the item looks like. Okay, so basically we don't need all the other pages. As you can see, this one works fine. So this one is fine, right? Let us remove this, remove a few things. So let's move this to the bottom. And let us say get yours now. Let's say for kids 5 to 12 years. And of course decrease the font size. So okay, the font size now was decreased. So what we want to do, you can add music if you like. Let us just preview this quickly. Okay, so it is looking fine, right? If you want, we can have this removed, right? So in order to do that, you will have to this is a one clip or one file. You just drag across, right, any length, right? So if you want it to appear for just a few seconds, you can have it 3, as you can see the time at the bottom here. So we can have it for 5 seconds or 10 seconds. I think 10 seconds is pretty good. And you want to right click on that and split page. Okay, so when you split it, you go to the second page and click on the writing and text box and delete that. Okay, so it's perfect. So you've seen it on the first page and now you're not seeing it on the second page. Okay, so you can add different elements if you like, but this as just for demonstration purposes. So the music is there, but just so I can, you know, prevent myself for getting, you know, any copyright infringement, I will remove the music, but you can add the music if you like. All right, So now that we have our reel created and it has everything in place, you know, that is fine. What we can do is download our reel. We can put final, okay, and we'll want to download this file. So while this is being downloaded now we will go on to creating our cover page, right? So in order to create a cover page, you have to create a mockup, guys. So let us go into apps and smart mockups. Okay, so we have smart mockups, right? And we are looking for some cards. Let us see if we have something here. Okay, so since our card it's for kids, right? So our affirmation cards are for kids. We can use the vertical videos, of course, or vertical pictures, sorry, and or we can use something like this. So I like this one, right? And as you can see, this is pro, so it will definitely benefit you if you have the pro plan. I do have the link below where you can register to sign up for Canva, and you'll get free 30 days. Okay, so we will select this photo here, upload our, oh guys, we didn't download it, so of course we have to go and download our, right. So let us download this, not a video. JPEG will be fine, and we will only, let's download all. So now we will upload our, select this, and as you can see, the image is here. It is not, so let us adjust. So let us adjust the image. Yeah, the image is perfect, right? So we can save this. So the image is perfect, right? So this is one of the mockups. So let us save this mockup. We're going to save this and download. And I want another mockup. So let us use this. Select another design, adjust the fit, save. Okay, so this is very cute. We're going to save and we're going to download this. Okay, so let us click on use in design, because I think I want to add some sauce to this. Okay, so we have to choose a size, Instagram reel. Right, so guys, let us expand this, and now we have all our little designs here, our cards. Let us add some other cards to the mix. Okay, so we can simply add the other cards around this one. Okay, so guys, I just want to, give you an idea of what you can do. And of course, I want to make it look like make it look a bit lifted. So what we can do is, I think we can put this one at the bottom here, have this on the side, whichever works best for you guys. Okay, so let us edit image and go to shadows. Okay, so we want to do a drop shadow just to make it look a bit more realistic. All right, so let us add the drop shadow here and here as well. Okay, just so it can look a little more realistic, and that is fine. All right. Okay, so now that we have our image, I think we'll work with this one. The first one is fine. Let me upload the first one. Okay guys, so we can use any one of these. So I will download this now. We want a PNG, which is the best file type, and you click on download. Okay guys, so this is, how I quickly would add the affirmation cards for kids. Okay, so now you download it, right? And of course you have to put it here as well, right? Because you can upload, you can use this twice, right? So we have this in place, and of course you can like change the color here so it doesn't have to look the same. And the text, we can use white. All right, so this is fine. Okay guys, so you'll go to Canva on your phone and download the reel, Instagram reel. And then you download the mockup or your reel cover, or should I say covers. Okay guys, so now you open Instagram and you go to plus button at the bottom. So now you select your reel that you will want to post, okay? And you select next. So now you can add music, you can add effects or stickers, anything you like, okay? And we move and we click next, right? So now, as you can see, you have the choice to edit a cover. So we will click on edit cover, and you can choose whether you want to choose a cover from any part of the reel, like this, simply by dragging on the little bar below. Okay, next you can add from camera roll. All right, okay, so now from here you'd add from camera roll. Click on this, and as you can see, we have different options. So I will first click on this option, and you can see this is a perfect fit, and you click on done, and of course you complete your necessary information, affirmation cards for kids, and of course you put your hashtag, and you click on OK and you share. Let's say we want to change it to use this cover page. What we can do is, so this is how the reel look, okay? Right, so let us go to our, okay, so this is my profile page, all right? So I don't use this account, but this is a profile page. So when you click on video, you will see our video and reels, they have combined the two, and you will see the reel. You click on it. Okay, so this is how it is looking now. So let us click on it, and you click on the little three dots at the bottom, and you'll click manage. Then you click on edit, all right? And you will click on the reel itself. Okay, so you click, so right here, so you click on, as I said, you click on reels, and then you click on the, after edit, you click on the, you see it says cover there, so you click on the cover. So you click on the cover, and then you can add from camera roll. So we will add this cover instead, and click on done. And here we have updated our cover for our reel. Okay, it is a simple process, simple as this, right? So let us go back to our profile, and this is what we have now. Guys, now that you have created your Instagram reel and your Instagram reel cover, it is time to sell it. So guys, feel free to download my video starter hooks, 50, that is 50 video starter hooks, okay? That will help you to quickly create your TikTok videos, your Instagram reel videos, and even your Pinterest idea pins, okay? So go ahead and download these, okay? If you are stuck and you need more help, I am free and available to help anyone that will need my assistance, okay? Just book your one-to-one coaching with me, and we can discuss further, okay? So guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, I have a lot more of these tutorials teaching you how to make your printables and digital downloads, and also teaching you how to market it using video, okay? So if you think this is the area for you, please go ahead and look at these videos over here.